Hello everyone. So today we're going to look at what we call a Google Contact. As you know, in order for you to send messages one person to another, you have to use Google Contact, and this helps maybe to send message to multiple people within a short time. So other than sending messages to one person at a time. So this Google Tag is very important in such a way that actually it helps in communication at once. Messages reach to many people at once. So let's get straight to how we can use Google Contact. So from here we are going to open our Google Contact from the Google Chrome, and here are the features in Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, that is where we are going to get very many Google apps that is going to drive us through this Google process, this Google Contact. So from here, we have these dots. These dots represent Google Apps, meaning we have our Google Contact from here. So from here, we have, let's say, our Gmail is here. So this Gmail is going to help us a lot. It's going to work actually in hand with Google Contact. So uh, this Gmail, let's say maybe you have somebody's details, like you have somebody's contact and email addresses, so you can type that person's email or that person's email address such that you can send that information at once, or you can type that person's contact. So when we open this Gmail, so we have come to compose. This where you can type, you can compose messages from here such that you can be able to send your message to a particular people you want to communicate to them. So from here we can compose the what the message by typing the contact. I think the network is slow. That's why it's loading slowly. So from here is where we are going to type our image, or let me say you can type the contact, or you can type the email address. Like let's say you have this as the messages, so you can type this, and this is how the message is going to be sent to those people, and you come and send. So this is how you can send your image. You can send from here. Now, for this case, let us switch back to the Google contact. So we can switch back from here. So this is where we are going to find a Google contact. Before, you have to first create contact. If you already created your contact, exported, maybe let's say imported the contact from a website, so you can actually go straight to the email such that you go straight to Gmail so that you can send those messages you want them to have. So from here we have, these are the features in Google Contact. For this case, let's say me already have this is the contact that I've already created them before in my in my account. So uh, we have labels. This is what is so interesting. So in case you want to send message to a particular people, you come and create your label here. So you come, like me already creating my labels, so you can add more by creating labels. So you can create labels. Maybe let's say you're creating labels to this, so you come and create labels which is already here. So this person is going to be included. So meaning that the moment you send message to this person, all of them you are going to receive because you already added label to them. So this is how basically we can use Google contact. And in case you want to remove this contact, you come and transfer from here. So all of them is they are not going to be no contact. So in case you want to include another contact, you can come and include that contact from here. Also, if they already contact, you can even uh, use the data contact to help you send messages. So in case you want to remove a certain contact, so you come here, come to this. So this how you can remove those contacts. Let's say we have this. Sorry, let's say you want to remove this one here. You come to this. Come to delete. You can delete this contact. So delete this contact. You remove it. It's not going to appear anymore. So that's how you can remove contact. In case you want to create contact, you can come and create. You come to create contacts. So this is how you're going to create a contact. It's going to first ask you your first name. So you type your first name. You can type his last name, and if that person is working in any other organization, you can even type the company name as GCF, or that person is maybe a tracker. So you can say it's a tracker. So there's a lot of information about this. You can type in the email addresses if you know. So for this case, let's say the email address for that person is this. So, and in case you want the contact, you can even type the contact as this. Then in case you want to add labels, you come and add labels from here as uh, you can say, but for this case, our labels is here. We come and add the labels from here after saving. So in case you want to know more, to show more information about that person, you come and show more. I will ask you a lot of things about that person, related person. You can type even add some notes about that persons from here. So after all this, you can now save your contact. This is a contact. In case you want to insert images, you come here, add images in case that person. Uh, that's how you can relate to that person. In case you can upload photos from here. So these are the images that you can add up. So a lot of images here. So let's say add this. So you just come and pick in images. In case that person needs like dogs, you can add this. So this is a message. This is uh, the image you can add. So after it's going to appear. So the image is going to appear here, as you can see. This is how the image is appearing. So this Google content is very interesting. So thank you for watching, and you can like the video. Thank you.